Once upon a time, in the whimsical town of Giggletopia, there lived a tiny dragon named Sparkle. Sparkle wasn't like other dragons. Instead of breathing fire, she emitted bursts of colorful confetti. Sparkle loved making everyone in Giggletopia happy. One day, Sparkle discovered that the town's happiness crystal, the source of all joy, had lost its sparkle. Worried townsfolk gathered in the town square, their laughter replaced by frowns. Sparkle, with her heart full of determination, decided to embark on a quest to find the legendary laughter berries that could restore the crystal's magic. On her journey, Sparkle encountered a mischievous giggling squirrel named Squeezy. Squeezy knew the secret location of the laughter berries but would only share it if Sparkle could complete 3 playful challenges. Challenge 1 was a tickle fight with rainbow feathers, Challenge 2 involved a dance-off with hopping mushrooms, and the final challenge required Sparkle to tell the silliest joke ever heard. With giggles and laughter, Sparkle successfully completed each challenge. As Sparkle returned to Giggletopia with the laughter berries, the town's spirit lifted. With a sprinkle of magic, the happiness crystal regained its sparkle, and laughter echoed through Giggletopia once more. Sparkle, the confetti dragon, became the hero of the town, teaching everyone the magic of laughter. And so, in the heart of Giggletopia, Sparkle and her friends celebrated joy, laughter, and the enchanting power of spreading happiness.